Today we are looking at a fully reconditioned Brook 30 horsepower 3-phase motor. This unit runs off of 230 or 460 volts. It is 60 hertz. It turns at 1750 RPMs. This unit has been completely rebuilt by a certified motor tech. We have been putting their rebuilds on our machinery for over 20 years and we have had zero complaints or issues with their work. They really know what they're doing. The motor technicians inspected all of the internal components on this unit. The windings are in very good shape and they replaced the bearings. It has new bearings. In a minute we're going to fire the unit up so you can see how well it runs. We are including this nice heavy built motor mount. This goes with the motor. It bolts right up to it. The shaft diameter of this unit is 1 7/8 inches. Alright, we have the unit connected to the power source. We're going to fire the unit up for you now. Starts right up, runs nice and smooth, nice and quiet. Okay, we've been running the unit now for about 20 minutes. It's cool to the touch, hums right along, there are no irregular noises. You can see that distortion there. It looks like the shaft is turning really slow. That is the camera frame rate. It is turning at the appropriate RPM. It's just an all-around nice unit. It's ready to go back to work and run anything that requires a 30 horsepower motor for a long time.